Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to my channel, welcome to my video. So before actually getting to our topic, we're gonna talk about this thing that, our topic is how to remove a video from your watch later list on YouTube. But before getting to know how to do it, what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn actually what is watch later list for the ones who maybe not knowing, right? So actually watch later list is a very useful tool, and I'm really thinking like what got you here and now you want to remove a video from there, which is totally okay. You might have your reasons. But like this watch later list is giving you options. Like, for example, I'm just checking YouTube while I'm shopping, while I'm the line for, shopping like I have bought some stuff and there are thousands of people in front of me. You know what I do when I get tired of seeing Twitter, IG, or something. What I do, how I finish my mobile data is YouTube. I get in my phone, I look. No, actually, I'm not finishing. Thanks to this watch later list. Yeah, what I do is I look at it like go up and down, so I can find videos to binge watch when I get back home while eating the things that I bought. Yes, exactly. Of course, to eat those things, what do I do? For example, I bought tomatoes, eggplants, some minced meat, So, what I do with it is I write down eggplant, tomato, mincemeat recipe. And I check what's coming up there in YouTube, or I put it on Google, and then they are giving me some suggestions as, oh, you can do this, you can do that. And what I do is I go to YouTube, I write that thing down, and then just before going home, I go home with a plan in my head. Imagine how helpful this feature is. What happens is I put it down, right? And then, like, there are lots of videos, lots of ways that people, like, there may be 10 channel who did the same food, but I'm looking which one has the most likes. So, and most views. So I'm checking, clicking on it. No, I'm not watching. I can't. I don't want to finish my mobile data like that. So what I do is I click there and put it in my watch later list on YouTube. So how I do it, if you want to know, I can just show you. Of course, you guys know. That's why, and you right now you want to remove it. So, just reminding. You see, like when I hover my mouse cursor right here, we have those three dots. We're clicking here, and and what we do is we're clicking in the second one, save to watch later. That's how you put it there. But okay, something happened. You actually didn't mean it. So, how are you gonna remove what you put there? You may no longer want to watch that video, which I understand. I have been there. You're gonna ask me, like, what kind of occasions that I could have been there, right? What happens is, for example, there's this YouTuber that I like. I love his content, right? I'm watching. And then one day, I even have most of his like videos that I haven't watched yet to my watch later list, or I just make a playlist, but most of them is in my watch later list. Then you know what happens? He is uploading a new video full of things that I don't like. And you know what happens? I have to go and remove all of it. That's what I do. Or maybe yours is not like that, and maybe you already watched the video, but of course it still stuck there. So what you can do is you can keep watching this video and learn what you can do. And in this video I will show you the easiest. Actually, there's only a couple ways, like method 3 methods, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it from your computer. And let's get there. Like, the thing is, deleting videos from your watch later list on YouTube is easy. However, like looking for those buttons or to delete them, that might, they may see, how can I say, maybe if you're not familiar with YouTube at all, you might not be able to find them easily. That's what I mean. And so what we're gonna do is, we're using our computer, we're in youtube.com. Of course, you have to sign in, log into your account. If you haven't logged in, there will be a blue button here, and you're gonna click there, you're gonna get there, you're gonna put your Gmail or email and then your password. And then what we're gonna do is, do you see this video? Like, you'd be like, where is it? You might be looking for it. You see this three lines, we call it hamburger menu. We're clicking on there, and actually when we go down, what do we have here is watch later. So we're gonna click this watch later on the left side rail of the page right here. So now this is where we at. Of course, my watch later list is private, no one can see that. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna click, this is one of the ways, we're gonna click play all. You see, did you just see this? When we say play all, and we have our playlist kinda, and what we do is, for example, we go down, I watched this video and it's depressing. Yes, I have psoriasis, I'm sick of it. There's this one, I have watched it. This one I didn't really found it helpful. So that's how you do it. This is how you clean your, maybe you don't want to, delete everything, but this is some part. But of course you can delete as much as you want. And let's go back to our page, main page. Of course, this is the second method, but the process is just the same. So let's assume that this is the way the page looking. You're gonna visit the YouTube web page and you're gonna log in into your account just like I did here. We're gonna open our watch later list just like we did. We're gonna click to this hamburger menu, and then we're gonna click watch later. Sorry guys. We're gonna click watch later, and no, this time we're not gonna click play all, right? What we're gonna do, as you can see, just like this, you see, we're not playing, we have all of them right here. So we're gonna click this 3 dots right here, and we're clicking on that, and what I'm doing is remove from watch later list. And I'm not gonna remove this one. This is my friend, and I still didn't watch that one yet. So, or I also watched this. No, I didn't watch but I watched this one. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Very easy, as you can see. And if you ask me, I would rather using this method than the other one. Yes, actually that one kind of is easier, because all you gotta do is click once. This one is like you gotta click twice, but it's still okay. And here, I'm just giving you a little tip. When you're clicking here, this 3 dots, As you can see, you have options such as move to the top, right? Or, and as you can see, it is on top. Or you have the move to bottom, and let's go to bottom. And as you can see, we have our video right down there. Just saying, little notes, little tips wouldn't hurt anyone. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like this video and found it helpful, I'm pretty sure you know what I meant by saying helpful, but just being clear. What I mean by that is, if you found it helpful, is this: you didn't know how to do it when you clicked this video, but now you're living with knowledge, full of knowledge. That means, yes, this video was helpful. I helped you out. So you go and like my video. And if you guys have any questions, anything in your mind about this video or related to YouTube or just any other social media platforms or just video platforms, you can ask me in the comments, and I'm coming down there, gonna be reading your questions, gonna be answering your questions one by one. And at the same time, if you have suggestions, also let me know in your comments, so when I'm down there trying to answer your questions, I can also be reading your suggestions as well. Maybe you might be saying, of course, this is suggestions, anything that can come to your mind. Maybe it's a suggestion about my content, you're asking me to do such video. Your feedback is important and I care about it, and I'm gonna take action, don't worry. So that's actually all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, but I know you did, just in case you didn't, maybe you forgot or something, so all you gotta do is click to that button right down there, the red button, and it is way easier than deleting videos from watch later list, so I know that you can do it. See you guys in my next video.